Fred. I'm the owner of the camper van Fred, and in this video I would like to show you how to use the awning of the van. The pole for opening the awning is here, so you can just pull it out and use the pole to open the awning, which I will show you in a second how to do that. Okay, like I just said, the pole for unwinding the toggle or the awning is just right here next to the bench. I'll just get it out, plug into this little hole here, then again start hinging. That works. It's easy and straightforward. One important thing is that when the awning is open, be careful with that door because that doesn't fit under. So if you would like to open the door, you need to lift the awning a little bit so it fits through. Okay, that's just so you know. There are also legs, which I will show you also how to unfold them. Okay, in order to open the legs, they're just hidden here in this end part of the awning. So you can just fold them out like this, push them out or pull them out, and fold them down. Here is a little butterfly screw. Just open that, adjust the leg, and tighten it. And that's all. And then you basically do exactly the same thing on the other side, and that's all there is built. So then in order to close it, you just follow the opposite procedure. Open the butterfly screw, pull in the leg, tighten it here in the top, and then fold the leg back in, push it in, fold it back in this top part of the awning. And then to close it, just back to the engine. That's all. That's how you operate the awning, and then you can put the pole back into position. Good. Okay, so this concludes the video about the awning of the camper van Fred. Please remember the height of the van is 2 meters and 5 centimeters. So please keep that in mind. The highest point of the van is here, the roof window. So make sure that whenever you go under somewhere which is 2 meters and 5 or less, it's critical. You will scratch the van. So bear in mind the height of the car is 2 meters and 5 centimeters. There is also here in this drawer, there is also a meter. So in case you are unsure, take the meter and measure. Okay. And yeah, with that I would like to conclude this video. If you would like to know more about the camper van Fred, or if you would like to book a trip with the camper van Fred, please check out campervanfred.com. Thanks for watching.